Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm in the gigantic fruit tree collection of Tenob Agricultural Park in Sabah, or Sabah Agricultural Park in Tenob on the island of Borneo. And here is a tree which puzzled me at first. Looks like a kumquat, but also looks like a calamansi or calamondin or kasturi. Those are all the same names for the same little fruit, which is mandarin-like but used as a lime around here. Well, I had no idea what this is. I tried some of the fruit on the ground. If you think, yeah, of course, the taste difference between a kumquat and the lime, should be quite easy to find it out. But, well, actually not really, for two different reasons. First, those fruit are completely ripe or even overripe, so not much juiciness, and so the taste is considerably changed. And second, I'm being eaten alive by mosquitoes. And third, kumquat and kasturi actually taste quite similar. The inside is very sour, but the rind is edible and sweet. And that's what this stuff tasted like. The juice on the inside, quite sour. The rind, a little bit sweet. Actually, less sweet than in kumquat or calamansi. So what is this? Calamansi or kasturi lime is commonly grown in Borneo. But kumquat is rather a subtropical fruit which grows even in southern Europe, all the way to southern France. It's one of the most frost-resistant citrus fruit ever. And then, finally, a nice worker of the nearby agricultural research station told me what this is. This is a tropical kumquat. This is not Fortunella margarita. This is Fortunella polyandra, a tropical kumquat with much smaller fruit. And he said, yeah, the Chinese who come here, they like to cultivate it. Kumquat comes from China and Japan and Korea, this area. Actually, I think it comes from China. I didn't research it, but I think it comes from China. So it's natural that the Chinese should like and cultivate it here. But since Fortunella margarita is a subtropical fruit, here they switch to the more heat-resistant Fortunella polyandra, which, yeah, well, those here, they don't taste as good as Fortunella margarita, probably because the rind is less sweet and there is not so much juiciness in the juice anymore. So I cannot really say if this stuff in the perfect state, maybe like a couple weeks ago, or if I was able to reach the not overripe fruit on the tree, would taste as good as margarita. But for now, at least I've tried Fortunella polyandra. I just have to keep in mind that maybe, if I find some fruit in the perfect stage of ripeness, they will be tastier. There are some green fruit over there, so there should also be some half-ripe fruit over there, but they are over 3 meters high, and I cannot get at them. So let's look at the tree. Well, obviously here growing without enough light among the other trees. This happens always when you plant some trees. After some time you get shade. But what can we say about it? Thick thorns. A lot of this sap oozing out in many places. The rind covered by lichen in this permanently moist climate. Yeah, so not much more I can say. Fortunella polyandra, kumquat that's okay with tropical temperatures. Well, yes, I can say one more thing. Definitely come and visit the incredibly beautiful agricultural park of Sabah in Tenob. Definitely come and visit the gigantic fruit tree collection. Stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the beautiful agricultural park in Tenob. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.